After 145 days in jail, Peter Greste, Mohammed Fahmy and Mohammed were back in this caged dock for the 9th time. On Thursday, the court finally got to see evidence the prosecution had refused to disclose to the defence. It included videos of protests against presidential candidate Abdel Fattah al-Sisi. The prosecution says the video was found in the possession of students charged alongside the Al Jazeera journalists. The court was also shown an Al Jazeera English report about football. From the dock, Peter Greste told the judge, "We're accused of showing that the country is at war. This story shows the opposite. It's a story that shows we have no agenda."
Well, I mean, we've got to remain optimistic. They're 3 award-winning, world-class journalists who, have the highest integrity, and we know that they've done nothing wrong, but we've just got to remain hopeful that this comes to an end very soon, because I think majority of the world can see the injustice that's going on here.
Reporters in court say they were baffled by other evidence presented by the prosecution. It included what a court reporter described as a clearly doctored image. It showed Al Jazeera producer Mohammed Fahmy supposedly with former Egyptian military chief General Mohammed Hussein Tantawi. There was also an audio recording of unknown people telling jokes and a recent chart hit by the Australian musician Gautier. In a separate case, the Al Jazeera Arabic channel correspondent Abdullah Al-Shami has been jailed without charge since last August. Reports that he has ended his hunger strike have been contested. Al-Shami has been placed in solitary confinement, and his family say there have been crude attempts to force-feed him. In a statement, an Al Jazeera spokesman said, "Abdullah's family and lawyer want to visit him immediately to establish the veracity of these reports. He has been placed in solitary confinement, and we are extremely concerned about the pressures that may have been brought to bear on him." The spokesman added, "Regardless of the state of the hunger strike, the core point remains: Abdullah should be freed. Journalism is not a crime." The trial of Mohammed Fahmy, Peter Greste and Mohammed was adjourned until June the 1st. Mereana, Al Jazeera.